Hello and happy Thanksgiving, my friends. Ellen here. I welcome all you back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all a roast chicken recipe that is out of this world amazing. We're going to make roast chicken with citrus and garlic. Oh, yes. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And we're going to brush it with a flavorful citrus glaze. And a great alternative if you don't feel like having a whole turkey. And you can serve this any time of the year, even Soul Food Sunday. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Thanksgiving recipes playlist. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your whole chicken, your orange, your lemons, and your garlic sugar, because we're about to roast some roast chicken magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, over here I have my aromatics that we're going to put inside the cavity of the chicken. We're going to use 1 orange, 1 lemon, and the garlic that we're going to cut in half. So we're going to cut the citrus into wedges. Like so. Cut into about 4 wedges. Now the orange. And now we're going to cut this garlic in half, the whole thing. Just like that. So now we're going to set the citrus and the garlic aside while we work on the glaze. In my measuring cup, I have 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. And into our orange juice, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. That's 1. And 2. And over here in this plate, I have 1 tablespoon of fresh oregano that I chopped and 3 cloves of garlic that I minced. And salt and black pepper to taste, or you can use white pepper. And give this a quick stir. And that's it, my friends. Our glaze is complete. So now we're going to set the glaze aside while we work on the chicken. Alright, my friends, over here I have a 5-pound chicken that I washed, patted dry, and removed the neck and the giblets. I put it in my roasting pan that I lined with foil for easy cleanup. So now we're going to season it with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Under the legs, under the arms. Like that massage, Mr. Chicken. Down here in the back. Want to season generously because it could be bland. The inside. Alrighty, so now we're going to stuff it with the oranges and the lemons and the garlic. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish stuffing the chicken, and then I'm going to wash my hands and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through seasoning up my bird, and I didn't have any kitchen string, so I'm just going to cook it like it is. So now we're ready to put the chicken in the oven. We're going to bake it in the preheated 400-degree oven. And we're going to let it bake for 1 hour, and then I'm going to bring you back in an hour to baste it with the glaze. Alright, my friends, this is what the chicken looked like after it's been roasting for an hour. And off camera, I added some chicken stock to the bottom so that way it won't burn. Brush it all over the chicken. Smells good. Alrighty, so now we're gonna put the chicken back in the oven and we're gonna let it finish cooking for about 45 minutes to an hour until the chicken is completely cooked through. And we're gonna brush it occasionally with the citrus glaze and add some more chicken stock to the bottom. And then I'm gonna take it out of the oven and let it rest. I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Roast chicken with citrus and garlic. Doesn't she look pretty? And I garnish it with some lemon and lime slices and some oregano sprigs inside. The skin is nice and crispy. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I'm serving it with some green beans and some mashed potatoes with my homemade turkey gravy that I made on my last video. It is so delicious. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The chicken is perfectly cooked. It's tender. And the citrus and garlic inside the chicken made it super moist. And it's flavorful. This is scrumptious, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite, and I'm serving it with some mashed potatoes and gravy. Yum-o. Roast chicken-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, and happy Thanksgiving.